What's
So
up?
my question is just basically how to justify like if I put in an address like 1413 Cherry Springs in McKinney, Texas, right? That's one of my leads that I got. That's
Hmm.
this is hypothetically, right?
Right.
Now how does this calculator, how do I know, like, do you have a video where I have to do the comping and everything, or is it already implemented into the system?
You're talking
Like if I
about an on market deal sniper deal?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
like if
Comp.
is Deal Sniper good for owner financing or wholesaling?
Well, you're using Deal Sniper to get deals under contract that are owner financing for you. I mean, if you want to buy it yourself, you can, but primarily everyone who's using this is using it to wholesale that deal.
Correct. So, man, I guess I'm a little confused how to use the system then.
Okay, so are you trying to be a wholesaler or are you trying to buy these properties for your own portfolio?
No, I'm just trying to wholesale.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, for example, I can walk you through the process right now.
Okay.
Let's see. I will use, I don't know what town this is, but I'm going to use this for example. Where are we? We are in Hoover, Alabama. Okay.
Okay.
So all I do is go to filters. I
Okay.
use Redfin. You can use Zillow. All of these are what I'm about to tell you is across the board. Zillow,
Okay.
Trulia, Redfin, Realtor, doesn't matter.
How about MLS? Like if I get a listing that's expired on MLS.
Same thing. You can put the address in as well.
Okay. Okay.
So in this situation, for people who don't have access to MLS leads, I usually do 90-day filter.
Okay.
So been on market, and now I have 526 properties that I can put offers in on. And I'm just going to I'll grab this one.
Okay.
Good shape, good shape, good shape. All right. So I'm going to copy the address.
Okay.
I'm going to put it into Deal Sniper.
Okay.
It's going to bring up the exact same property, scrub all the data. If this isn't a non-disclosure state, but if it was, it would scrub all the data. And here's the property. So they have it listed for 178,000 and it's been on market for 91 days. That's
Correct.
ideal. So does this property have a mortgage? We don't know. So we're always going to put no. And then it's going to generate this offer for you. So they were selling it for 178. We're offering them 196. Now I'm going to clean this up a little bit. This is just for me. I'm going to change this to
All zeros.
195.
We don't want cents because I look sketchy and scammy.
Yeah.
I
I'll
got
change
you on
this
that.
to
No, I've
13,500.
been doing this for a while. Just like I just want to utilize this to my benefit. So and then like if I want to do a wholesale assignment fee for 25K or more, I can input that, right?
No, I mean you can, but that's not what Deal Sniper is for. That's on the back end stuff. Your
Okay,
assignment fee, like right now, this says estimated assignment fee 6,500. I can change this to $1 million, $100
I
million.
got you.
Doesn't matter. It's not going to change fees. It's not going to change our offer to the seller.
I got you.
So once you have your numbers cleaned up, all you do is copy this information or hit
Okay.
this button. That'll copy
Okay.
it.
Yep.
You go back to the property,
Okay.
and here's the realtor that's listed to you, Ryan Beanie.
Okay.
So normally they have their phone number or their email address listed. In this case, they don't. So all I'm going to do is Google it. I'm going to Google his name with the company that he works for.
Okay.
Expert Realties popped up.
Okay.
And then if I want to, I mean, I can send him a message right here. I can paste the offer right here if I want. But
Okay.
I would just get his phone number. Here, we'll go to his website, see if it's got his phone number listed. And in either case, you're just going to call him and you say, hey, I've got an offer I'd like to put on Vondale Drive in Birmingham, but your email address isn't listed on the listing. Can you please text that to me so I can send this offer to you? And they'll just text it to you.
Okay.
And then once you have that, you put it into an email, you paste this letter, make sure you put his name there, your name here. You can
Okay.
put your contact information, your phone number if you want,
Okay.
and then you send it.
That's it.
That's it. And
Okay.
you send out 20 a day at a minimum. That's 100 a week. Out of 100, you'll get about 5 positive responses from realtors because not everyone wants seller financing. Some people can't take seller financing, but the ones that can, they'll respond to you positively. Then you go over to this calculator and you underwrite the deal further if you want to. You can even include their commission and it'll do all the numbers for you. And then you give it to the realtor.
I got you. All right. If you could send this recording to me, let me practice this. I know I'm gonna have questions. Just bear with me. Once I get like two or three good ones in, then I should be good at this.
Dude, everybody has questions. That's literally why I'm here to answer with questions. So, what I would suggest is go to the video library section in the Discord and watch those videos. Don't watch, I mean, you can watch the ones, the recorded trainings.
Yeah,
Those are, an hour plus long. But all the ones that have the technical stuff, how to use the calculator, how to use Deal Sniper, how to calculate seller financing terms, things like that. Watch those videos because any question you're going to have, it's there. And
I
then
got,
anything further than that, obviously, let me know.
I got you. And then, okay, so my thing is the assignment fee. So you normally just put it at 10 grand. So I'll have to take a lower assignment fee for Deal Sniper, basically.
No, not at all. You can have any assignment fee you want. So in mine, I always do desired assignment fee. Well, here, let's put this deal in. I'll put this exact same deal in. I'll show you.
Okay.
So we're going to put these terms in: $195,000 purchase price and $13,000 down. All right. So let's put this in: $195,000 purchase price.
Okay.
Loan amount was 182, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
Interest rate is 0. It's always 0.
Okay.
Cash to seller would be $13,000.
Okay.
Desired assignment fee, what I typically would put is $10,000. And
Okay.
then have to look at the rent. So the rent, because it gives it to you, $1,200.
Okay.
So let's go back over here. 1,200. Then we go to the seller financing tab down here, and all the numbers carry over.
Okay.
Everything carries over. Monthly payment, I think it was actually 500. Yep, $500, and then we have to put in the taxes and insurance. So
Okay.
1529 and 750. 1529, 750. Okay. So as it stands right now, this deal has a 17.27 cash on cash return. That's fantastic.
That's
But if
very
you
good.
want, yeah, that's very good. But if you want to change your assignment fee, if you want $25,000 and you put that into the deal, it drops the cash on cash return to 11,000 or 11% because now instead of a $205,000 purchase price, your purchase price is 220.
I
So you
got you.
can absolutely, I mean, anything above 10% is movable.
Yes.
But obviously, the more that you charge for the assignment fee, the lower it's going to drop the cash on cash return, unless you can get them to take less on this side, let's say $8,000 as a down payment. And then we go to this, now went up to 12.5. So that's up to you. You can charge whatever you want, but what we have found is that in creative deals, the cash on cash return needs to be at least 10%. So whatever the maximum assignment fee you want to charge, go for it.
Okay. And then if I need a, okay, so, and then my next question is to dispo this out. You see what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying? If I, if I have someone that's going to dispo it out, just send them this sheet.
I mean, I don't know their process. Like when people want to JV with us, there's a
Yeah.
disposition form that they have to fill out, and it basically
Okay.
just gives us the breakdown of the deal, and then we kind of just take it from there.
I got you. Okay.
So yeah, if
All right.
you're going to send it to a disposition person, just find out how they want the information, and then yeah, send it to them.
I got you. Okay. All right. Let me practice this for the rest of the week, and then I'll be in touch with you. If you can send this recording, and then I will go back to the videos and just refresh my memory. I got caught up. I work a 9 to 5 still, so let me go back to the books and really focus on this, and then I will be in touch with you.
Okay, just make sure you don't fall into like the analysis paralysis thing. You don't have to know everything, especially because you have kind of me at your hip. So you can
I
send
got you on
offers
that.
out, and if a realtor responds with something you don't understand, just post it in the channel, and I'll tell you exactly what to say.
Okay, cool. All right, that's fair enough. All right, bet. That's a bet right there. All right,
I
cool.
mean, as soon as this video is done rendering, I'll shoot you the YouTube link for it.
All right, thank you, sir. I
Not a
appreciate it.
problem. Have a good rest of your day.
Bye.
See ya.